Hello, I'm John from Merlot Law. If your Queensland Water Infrastructure Company has just been served with a statutory demand, you have exactly 21 days to act. Today, I'm walking you through the 4 key takeaways every contractor and director needs to understand. First, and this is critical, missing the strict 21-day window to challenge a statutory demand results in deemed non-compliance under Section 459F. That, in turn, triggers a presumption of insolvency under Section 459C, 2A of the Corporations Act 2001. In practical terms, once that clock runs out, the law presumes your company cannot pay its debts, and a creditor can move to wind you up. Second, filing alone is not enough. A company must both file its application with the court and successfully serve the supporting affidavit on the creditor within the 21-day timeframe. This is a conjunctive obligation. Lodging your documents at the registry on day 20 will not save you if the creditor has not been served before the deadline expires. Third, the courts may set aside a demand if the contractor demonstrates a genuine dispute regarding the debt amount or establishes a valid offsetting claim, such as rectification costs for defective works. For water infrastructure contractors, this is often where the strongest ground lies. Think failed pressure tests, defective pipeline installations, or quantifiable back charges that genuinely reduce the amount truly payable. And fourth, a word of caution. Minor technical errors in the demand typically will not invalidate the notice unless the contractor can prove the defect causes a substantial injustice. So while it's worth scrutinizing the document carefully, do not pin your defense on a typographical error or a misstated ABN alone. Courts have made it clear that minor clerical defects, on their own, are unlikely to be enough. The 21-day window is absolute. There are no extensions, no grace periods, and no second chances. If a statutory demand has landed on your desk, the time to obtain independent legal advice is today, not in week 3.